Hi, I'm Alex from Mission OM, and today I'll be guiding you through our plugin. Once we've installed the plugin, we'll just click on Configure. And all right, I'm now going to walk you through the step-by-step options our plugin has to offer. At the top level, you have the sales channel. This means that all the settings you configure in our plugin can be applied to all sales channels or just to specific ones. So for example, sales channel A might have this tag manager code and sales channel B a different one. All of this is possible with the plugin. For now, we'll set it up for all sales channels across the board. Right, of course, here you could also select your own specific sales channel. Right, it's important here to activate the plugin in the first place. This means you can also deactivate it for individual sales channels if you don't need it. Right. For the plugin to work properly, the consent configuration is important, and that depends on which consent banner you're using. By default, we're using the standard Shopware consent banner. But we support pretty much all the common consent banners like Acris, CCM19, CMP Consent Management Platform, CookieBot, Cookie First, etc. Like I said, select the correct consent banner here, otherwise the tag manager won't fire. So the thing is, some consent banners have Google Consent Mode V2 built in. This includes, for example, Cookie First, User-Centrics, and CookieBot, but others don't. The standard Shopware consent banner, for example, is one that doesn't. And in that case, it's important that if your consent banner doesn't support Consent Mode V2 natively, you should activate this option here. Right, we also support the advanced consent mode. The advanced consent mode loads the tag manager before consent is given on the banner. Legally, it's a question of whether that's okay or not. For that, please consult with your lawyer or your data protection officer. I'll leave it deactivated for now. And with this setting, the consent, the Google Tag Manager only loads after someone confirms the consent banner. Before that, the Google Tag Manager doesn't load, and basically no scripts from our plugin are executed at all. Right? In the Tag Manager configuration section, you can configure everything related to the Google Tag Manager. By default, if you're using the standard Google Tag Manager, just insert the Tag Manager container ID here. Make sure you don't add a space here. Right. Now, the thing is, our plugin also supports the server-side tag manager, and often with the server-side tag manager, you have a custom-defined tag. If you're using the server-side tag manager, you can activate that here, but if you're using the standard client-side Google Tag Manager, then just leave this deactivated and also leave these fields empty. When using the server-side tag manager, just activate it and insert your server-side or your custom script into the head and body sections. Here in the GA4 configuration, you can now select whether the GA4 data layer should fire or not. We, of course, want to have the GA4 data layer, so activate it here. Then the value for the enhanced e-commerce events. Here we recommend using net. GA4 has now also officially confirmed this on their support page. Right? It's simply recommended to choose the net value. In the marketing channel section, you now have the option to activate or deactivate the different channels. Here, I would always recommend simply deselecting and deactivating the channels you don't use. In the marketing channels configuration, you can set the value here. So whether the value should be net without shipping, gross without shipping, gross with shipping costs, net revenue with shipping costs, or net revenue without shipping. Here again, we recommend net revenue and without shipping. Here, you could also assign a value to the contact form. This means if a contact form is worth a certain value to you in Google Ads or elsewhere, you can simply assign a value here, for example, 20 euros. Here in this section, you also have the option to set up list prices as coupons. This means if you have list prices, for example, they will be transmitted to the data layer in the form of a coupon. The same goes for strike-through prices, but I'll leave that deactivated for now. And otherwise, you also have the option here to select to activate UTM parameters. This basically means that for every order in the Shopware backend, you'll see exactly where the order came from. So did it come from Google Ads, from Meta Ads, from newsletter marketing, for example, etc., etc. You'll see all of that here. Right, here you also have the option to add a tag manager environment. This means if you're testing, you can define a workspace and actively test a Google Tag Manager environment with it. I won't do that now either, and that's it for the configuration. You just click on Save here. As I said, this UTM parameter tracking, for that you'd have to go to your orders here, up here under list settings, and just show the affiliate code and campaign code. And yes, these are a lot of test orders now, but in principle, you'll then see here, for example, ads, and then Google Ads or Microsoft Ads, Meta Ads, etc. You'll see that with every order where the order ultimately came from. One more small thing. When you use our plugin, it's important that you go into your sales channel here and click on analysis once. And basically everything here should be empty. Because if anything is filled in here, it's possible that events will be tracked twice or the values won't be transmitted correctly. So please just check quickly if everything is correct, and right, that's it for the backend settings of our plugin. And now we'll move on to the part where we set up the Google Tag Manager for our plugin. We are now in the Google Tag Manager. Right, you just go into your container as usual. Here it's called Testing Mission OM. And right, if your container is already filled, if there are old tags in there that you no longer need, that's not a problem either. During the container import, you can simply overwrite them. To download the containers, you just go to Google, search for plugin Mission OM, click directly on the first search result here, and then click on Shopware 6. And right, this is our documentation page. Here you'll find detailed instructions for all the individual content banners, etc. And up here under container download, you can download the individual containers. We'll go to GA4 here, Google Analytics 4. Here you have another step-by-step guide with screenshots. But right now we just need the container. That means click here on GA4 container download. Download it. You can see here we've just downloaded it. Now go back to our Google Tag Manager. Click on admin in the top left. And now select our container file that we just downloaded. That's this one here. Click then on choose workspace existing, default workspace. And now it's important, if you select Overwrite here, then basically the Google Tag Manager will be completely wiped. This means all old tags will be deleted and only the new tags will be added. If you click merge, the old tags will remain and won't be overwritten. Exactly. We'll now click the overwrite option here because we just want a completely fresh tag manager. Click here on add to workspace. And right now we have the tags here. It's important to mention here with the GA4 tags, basically all tags for GA4 e-commerce tracking are included. This means an add to cart event is in there, begin checkout, add payment info, view item, select item. Basically everything is included. And right, you can also see it here in our regex event name. So in our trigger, all events are listed here again. Right, this is very, very compressed, but it works perfectly. And in principle, it's almost ready now. The only thing you still have to do is go to variables here, and in this variable 01 GA4 Mesh ID, you add your GA4 Measurement ID from Google Analytics. It always looks like this, G, and then, I don't know, some numbers. Right, click on Save. And with that, GA4 is basically already set up. Now we also want to import Google Ads. That means we go back to our help page, go to container download, this time Google Ads. Click here on Google Ads container download. We've downloaded it again. Go back into the Google Tag Manager, then click on admin again. Import container, select the container file again here, click here on existing workspace, default workspace. And then importantly merge, because we basically already have the GA4 variables or the GA4 tags in there and we want to keep them. That means simply click on merge, add to the workspace, and then click on tags. And now we see here, in addition to the GA4 tags, the Google Ads tags have now been added. Also, don't be surprised or concerned that the conversion linker tag doesn't actually have its own trigger. The way it works is that when this tag here fires, specifically the Google Ads G tag, there's simply a sequence that follows. This means a tag sequence. When the tag fires, the Google Ads conversion linker tag fires after it, and after the Google Ads conversion linker tag, the Google Ads remarketing pageview tag fires. Exactly, and for Google Ads, it's also the same thing. You just need to add the 3 variables here. That is first your conversion ID. This simply consists of numbers. Right, just enter it here. Click on Save. Then the conversion label for the purchase event. There you'll insert the conversion label purchase, which consists of a random mix of letters and sometimes a combination of numbers. Then click on Save here as well. And then the last variable, the Merchant Center ID, you can always find that in the top right of your Google Merchant Center. Enter that here as well. And click on Save again. And that's it. You've now configured the perfect setup. GA4 is in, Google Ads is in. Now all that's left is the container just has to be published again. Just click on Submit Publish. And with that, you've already integrated your tracking. It's finished, and that's it. If anything doesn't work for you, you always have the opportunity to schedule a free appointment directly with me at any time. Just schedule an appointment in Calendly on the landing page, and then we'll be happy to look at it together, and we'll definitely get it sorted out. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon. Ciao.